Alright guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use accordion element. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, click on this elements option and then drag and drop this accordion element on your page, and then you can see our accordion element is placed on our page. You can also drag and drop the other elements in your accordions. So now for editing and modifying it, here on the right side you can see the more options will appear as we already know. So here in the top you can see the content, style and advanced tabs. So in the content tab you can see your all accordions over here. Simply click on the any accordion and then here you can edit the accordion title, and then you can also set as default active. You can also do the same things on another accordions. So the next option is you can add more accordion items by clicking on this add item button. So now if you want to delete the any accordion, so you can simply put your mouse cursor on that accordion which you want to delete, and then here you can see a little delete button. So simply click on it and then you can see our accordion is deleted. So now if you again put your mouse cursor on the accordion, then here you can see the clone option along with the delete button that is used for making a same copy of that accordion. So you can simply click on it to make a copy of your accordion if you want, and then the last option is used for changing the position of any accordion by holding this option. Next you can edit the icon, in which you can choose the any icon from here, or either you can upload the icon from your computer storage. Next you can edit the HTML tag over here. So now let's move to the style tab, in which you can edit the alignment left, center and right. Then you can edit the typography of your accordion, in which you can choose the font for your accordion from your computer storage, or either you can use our Google fonts from here. You can also change the accordion size by moving this slider, and then next you can edit the weight, transform, style and decoration of your accordion, and then finally you can change the line height and letter spacing over here. Next you can add the hover animation to your accordion if you like. Next you can edit the text shadow, in which you can add the shadow color. Then you can add the blur in your shadow and then move the shadow horizontal and vertical if you want. Next you can edit the text color if you like. Next you can edit the background color of your accordion, and then next you can edit the accordion border over here. So basically this is how you can use the accordion element. So please make sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and thanks for watching.